Hey, I bought a cake.
Cake for what?
It's your birthday today.
No, it's not.
Really? Not today?
Maybe our anniversary,
Nope, not today.
but it feels special today.
Yeah, kind of special.
I must be forgetting something.
I'm thinking too.
Did we plan something before?
I don't think so.
Maybe a friend's birthday?
No, not that.
Wait, look who's here.
It's Buddy.
Look, he's very excited.
He's jumping around.
Why is he so happy?
Wait, today is his birthday.
We forgot our dog's birthday.
But he remembered.
So the cake is perfect.
For him, not me.
Still a special day.
Yeah, he's family now.
Let's celebrate together.
Best surprise ever.
Happy birthday, buddy.
He looks so proud. Something smells really good.
I'm making some soup.
Can I taste it?
Sure, go ahead.
Wow, it's really salty.
Really?
Yeah, super salty.
I didn't add salt. I only added sugar.
Did you mix it up?
I used the sugar jar.
The blue one, right?
No, the red one is sugar.
Did I remember it wrong?
The blue jar is salt and the red jar is sugar.
Oh no, my mistake.
You filled the jars.
Yes, last night.
So you switched them?
Maybe I did, sorry.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Can we fix it?
Sure, trust my cooking skills.
What should we do?
Add more water and more vegetables.
Really?
Yes, but the pot is big. Looks like we'll drink soup all day.
I love your soup anyway.
Thank you.
Smells better already.
See? Easy fix.
You're the kitchen boss.
Taste it again now.
Much better now.
Great, the soup is saved. I can't find my earrings.
Both of them missing?
Yes, both are gone.
I also lost something.
What did you lose?
One of my headphones.
Our home is too messy.
Yeah, really messy.
We need a big cleanup.
Let's divide tasks.
I'll clean the bedroom.
I'll take the living room.
Shout if you find something.
I'll tell you.
Hey, I found one earring.
Where was it?
Under my makeup drawer.
Great. One more left.
Check under the sofa.
Wait, I found something.
Is it my earring?
Yes, but it's sticky.
Sticky.
What happened?
It's stuck to gum,
Ew, that's gross.
but still wearable.
Okay, I'll clean it.
Look, I found money too.
Under the sofa?
Yeah, a few dollars.
This feels like treasure.
Yeah, a fun cleanup.
Let's clean more areas, maybe more surprises.
Look, I found your earbud.
This is a good day.
Yeah, great teamwork.
Hey, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Someone left something outside.
Really?
Maybe a delivery or gift.
Should we check it?
Yes, let's go see.
What's this?
Looks like a package.
It's so beautifully wrapped.
Yes, with a red ribbon.
Who could send this?
Not sure.
Let's open it slowly.
Okay, careful, please.
Wow, what's inside?
There are fresh vegetables.
And some meat, too.
Oh, I love this.
Who would send this?
Maybe a friend or neighbor.
Me? I don't know.
Looks like cooking ingredients.
Yes, fresh and ready.
Wait, I think I know.
Really? Who then?
Did you plan a surprise?
Maybe I did.
You want to cook dinner?
Yes, for your birthday.
Oh my, that's sweet.
I know your favorite meal.
I love this surprise.
What do we need today?
Just some daily stuff.
Like soap and shampoo?
Yeah, those things.
Let's start here.
Where is the soap aisle?
I think it's over there.
Great, let's check it.
Do you want liquid soap?
Liquid is easier.
This brand looks good.
Price seems okay.
Should we get two?
One is fine.
Next, where is shampoo?
Maybe that shelf.
Do you prefer this one?
Let me smell it.
Smells fresh and clean.
Okay, take this.
We also need sponges.
Kitchen sponges, right?
Yes, the yellow ones.
Here, I found them.
This pack has 5.
That's enough now.
Do we need trash bags?
Yeah, almost out.
Big size or medium?
Medium is better.
Compare these two bags.
This one feels stronger.
And the price is lower.
Let's take that one.
Anything else we need?
I think we're done.
Let's check out. Let's make dinner now.
What should we cook?
Pasta and salad.
I'll cook pasta.
We need some chicken.
I'll cut it.
Let's add some veggies.
Carrots or broccoli?
Broccoli is easier today.
Okay, got it.
And let's make salad.
Simple green salad.
Yes, just greens only.
I'll wash them.
How was your work?
A bit busy.
Still okay now?
Yeah, pretty smooth.
I'm glad to hear. How about you? My work felt good.
That's great.
The pasta's ready.
I'll drain it.
Chicken looks perfect now.
Let's plate it.
Salad is also done.
Great. Easy meal.
Want some dressing?
Just a little.
Dinner looks really good.
Yeah, nice mix. Let's eat together now.
The renovation is almost done.
Yes, the house looks new.
But look at this wall.
It is very empty.
It needs something big.
Maybe a big painting?
No, we need storage.
We have many books.
How about a bookshelf?
A floor-to-ceiling one?
Yes, a huge bookshelf.
We can put books there and my photo albums.
That is a great idea.
I will go buy one.
You want to go alone?
Yes, I have time today.
Choose a nice color.
Trust my taste.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a bookshelf.
We have many different styles.
I want a large one.
Look at this model here.
It looks very tall.
It has drawers at the bottom.
That is useful for storage, and the shelves are adjustable.
I have big art books.
You can make big spaces and small paperbacks, too.
You can make small spaces.
I like the drawers and shelves.
What color do you like?
Do you have white?
Yes, white is popular.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you need delivery?
Yes, please deliver it.
When is a good time?
Is Saturday morning okay?
Yes, Saturday at 10. Do you need installation service?
No, thank you. We will install it ourselves.
Are you sure? It is big.
Yes, we can do it.
Hello? Delivery for Sarah Smith? Yes, that is my wife. I have 3 large boxes. They look very heavy. Where do you want them?
Just inside the door, please.
I will put them here. Thank you for your help. Please sign your name here.
Okay, signing now.
Here is your receipt. Thanks. Do you see this number? The number at the bottom. Yes, that is for after sales. If there is a problem, call that number anytime. That is good to know. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.
Is that my bookshelf?
Yes, it just arrived.
I am so excited.
It is 3 big boxes.
Let's open them now.
Are you ready to work?
Yes, give me the cutter.
Be careful, it is sharp.
I am cutting the tape.
Open the flaps.
Look at the white color.
It looks very clean.
It matches our wall.
You made a great choice.
Do you like it?
Yes, I really like it. But there is so much foam.
It protects the wood.
Let's take pieces out.
Place them on the floor.
We need a lot of space.
The living room is full.
Where is the manual?
It is here.
What tools do we need?
Hammer and screwdriver.
Are they in the box?
No, check your toolbox.
Where is my toolbox?
In the closet.
I have the tools.
Where are the screws?
In this plastic bag.
Did you count them?
Yes, all here.
Do not lose them.
I need a bowl.
Why need a bowl?
To hold screws.
That is smart.
Are we ready now?
Yes, let's start.
Pick up this big board.
It is very long.
Hold your end tight.
I have it. Move slowly.
Watch out for the box.
Ouch, my foot.
Oh no, are you okay?
It hit my toe.
Sit down quickly.
It hurts so much.
Let me see. It is a little red.
I need a minute.
I will get ice.
Thank you, honey.
Just rest on the sofa.
I am sorry, I dropped it.
Don't apologize. Health first. Does the ice help?
Yes, it feels better.
Take your time.
The pain is gone now.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's finish this.
I lift the heavy board.
I hold the screws.
Hold this board vertical.
Is it straight now?
Yes, hold it there.
Here is the screw.
Turn it to the right.
Is it tight enough?
Yes, it is solid.
Now build the drawers.
How do we start?
Fold the side panels.
Like this. Fold up.
Yes, click them together.
It made a sound.
Now insert the bottom.
Slide it into groove.
Screw in the handle.
The drawer is done.
Put it in, now slide it on rails.
Push it in gently.
It moves very smoothly.
We are a good team.
Yes, step by step.
Wait a minute.
What is wrong?
Look at part C.
It looks fine here.
The holes are up.
Check the manual again.
Look at this picture.
Oh, I see it.
The holes face down.
We installed it backwards.
We rushed too much.
You are right. We must fix it.
Is it hard work?
No, just 4 screws.
Get the drill ready.
Set to reverse mode.
Remove the screws.
I take the board out.
Flip it over quickly.
Put it back in.
Tighten the screws again.
Is it correct now?
Yes, perfect match.
That was fast.
It is finally done.
Stand back and look.
It is huge and beautiful.
The white color is perfect.
Let's fill it up.
Put the heavy books down here.
Art books on the bottom.
Where is the photo album?
In the brown box. Put it at eye level.
We can see memories easily.
I have some crafts too.
The ceramic vase.
Yes, put it on top.
It looks like a library.
It is so cozy now.
The empty wall is gone.
I feel so proud.
Good job, honey.
Now we can rest a bit.